In this video I'm going to show you how to check someone's location on iPhone. So there's something called Find My, and basically here you can see the location of the people. And if you have them on your account, so as you can see, you have your friends, you can start sharing your location here. That's one way to find them. They can find you. This way you can also find your other devices, locations, other items, and etc. So it's pretty simple. Just go to the app and share, let them share it with you. Just click on start sharing location with who, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.